In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. This is a simple and useful way to keep important messages backed up, organized, and accessible from anywhere. If you want to store a copy of an email outside your inbox, Outlook makes it easy to save that message directly into your OneDrive folder. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook and sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. Once Outlook is open, go to the email you want to save and click to open it. Make sure you open the specific message itself because the save option is available from within the email. With the email open, go to the File menu in the top left area of Outlook and then click Save As. At this point, Outlook will ask you how you want to save the message. You'll typically see options such as EML or MSG. Choose the format you prefer. If you want to keep the message in a format that works well with Outlook, MSG is usually a good choice. If you want a more widely compatible email file format, EML can be useful. After selecting the format, wait for the file browser window to open. When the file browser appears, look to the left-hand pane and click OneDrive. This step is important because it tells Outlook where you want the email file to be stored. If your OneDrive is already connected on your computer, you should be able to select it just like any other folder location. You can also choose a specific folder inside OneDrive if you want to keep your saved emails organized by project, client, or topic. Next, enter a file name for the email. Try to use a clear descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. For example, naming it based on the subject or date can make it much easier to find when you need it. Taking a few extra seconds here can save time later, especially if you plan to store multiple emails. Once the name looks good and OneDrive is selected as the location, click Save. Outlook will save the email file directly into OneDrive, and that means it can sync automatically so you can access it from other devices signed into the same Microsoft account. And that's it. You've successfully saved an email from Outlook to OneDrive. It's a quick process, but it's very helpful for archiving important messages, keeping records, or creating backups outside your mailbox.